Hey guys, Varun here. Since this lockdown has lasted for more than a month now and maids are nowhere to be seen, I've gone ahead and bought myself a robotic vacuum cleaner that can mop the house as well. This is Xiaomi Mi Robot 1C. This thing came straight from China and today we are going to unbox and review it. Alright, so I paid around $260 Singapore dollars for this, which if we calculate in INR comes to roughly about 14,000 Indian rupees. In the box, as usual, we are greeted with some paperwork. Then we have the water tank and the mop with a cleaning tool. Let's keep that aside. After that, we have the power cord and then comes the robot itself, which is pretty hefty and with good build quality. After that, we have the charging dock and lastly, the side brush. So that's it guys, this is the unboxing experience of Xiaomi Mi Robot 1C. Now let's have a closer look at the host and its components. On the top we have two buttons, one for power on off and the another one for return to the charging dock. Below the buttons we have a vision sensor. On the front we have 15 sets of high precision sensors for full coverage. The back is comprised of grills that let the hot air pass out. The back also houses the speakers. Now let's come back to the top again. If you flip the lid, you will be greeted with the dustbin. You can easily remove it and clean it after vacuuming. The HEPA filter also comes out and you can easily clean the same with water as well. The bottom is pretty crowded. You have your side brush, the gyroscope thingy, the main brush which fits snugly so that it can suck every dirt from the ground. You can wash the same as well with water. If you want the hose to mop the floor, the water tank is installed like this. All in all, I am pretty happy with the overall construction of the unit. It is built to last and I don't see Xiaomi cutting any corners considering it only costs $260. Now let's talk about its vacuuming capabilities. The main reason why I went for this particular model is for its suction power. Xiaomi claims it has 2500 PA of suction power, which is even more than its expensive brothers and sisters. Also, it is equipped with a high-speed visual navigation system to help quickly capture information, extract complex spatial features and create faster and more accurate maps. The visual navigation is matched with the dual gyroscope and the optical flow sensor with multiple auxiliary positioning, which can obtain the position information more accurately. With its 15 sets of high precision sensors at the front, it can counter the complex terrain of the home with ease. With the help of all the sensors and massive suction power, it can lift all kinds of dirt from the ground easily and effectively. The body of the host is slim too. The inline visual sensor gives it a thinner body with free access under the bed, the bottom of the cabinet and the bottom of the sofa. Now if we talk about the battery, it can clean my entire 650 square feet house thrice before needing to recharge. As soon as its battery falls below 15%, it will automatically dock itself to recharge, and once it juices up to 80%, it will return to the breakpoint automatically without needing any manual intervention, which is amazing. Now let's talk about its mopping function. Exactly like vacuuming, the mopping function is super simple to use. Just attach the water tank at the bottom of the host and you are good to go. Equipped with a 200 ml intelligent electronically controlled water tank, the water is automatically controlled throughout the whole process and the floor is protected and the water is evenly released. You can even change the water level setting from the app itself. Mopping feature is a novelty in all these robot vacuum cleaners and you can't expect it to mop the floor like we humans do. Now let's talk about the app. The name of the app is Mi Home and the app is feature rich. You can see the battery percentage, cleaning time and the area cleaned on the top. Below is a virtual map of the place which gets updated in real time as soon as the host begins the cleanup process. You can even choose the cleanup mode between silent, standard, strong or turbo. For normal use, the standard is enough, but if you have carpets at home, then it is recommended to use strong or turbo mode. You can also schedule the cleanup. Just set the time, set the repeat counter, whether it's once daily, weekdays, weekends or custom, and you're good to go. Under map management, you can create virtual walls and reset the map. If you go to the settings, you can see the entire cleaning history, and under experimental features, you can enable the map saving mode, which will allow you to save maps, set virtual walls, and restrict areas which are a no-go. At the end, the app is a home run and we cannot ask for a better app than this. Alright guys, final thoughts. This is a godsend product, especially during the lockdown period when we cannot avail of any maid services. It vacuums thoroughly and the advanced sensors make sure that it doesn't miss any part of the house. I would definitely recommend this robot vacuum to anyone who is looking for a budget option without breaking the bank. Alright guys, this is it for me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of Xiaomi Mi Robot 1C. Please hit like if you enjoyed the review. Please subscribe to never miss my uploads. And stay home, stay safe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.